So hey guys, today let's learn how to remove watermark from any of the image using Adobe Photoshop. The process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end and follow all the steps properly. First of all, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Now select the first layer and then select Object Selection tool. Now switch the mode to lasso and choose Combine Shapes. Now simply mask around the text. Alright, so once you have done, now go to Select tab, choose Modify, and in Modify, select Expand. Now expand it by 4 pixels. After that, go to Edit and then click on Fill. Now in Contents, choose Content Aware and hit OK. And here we go. Now simply press Ctrl plus D to deselect the mark. And you can see the watermarks are removed. So this is basically how you can remove the watermarks from any image using Adobe Photoshop. I hope this tutorial helps you out. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.